Hi guys, I want to show you this Sunpak Auto 140 flash that I have. Just now when I put in battery, somehow I managed to get it to flash one time, but then after that I'm not sure how to actually to flash it again. So it may or may not be working, I'm not sure. However, like, I'm not sure why when I put on the hot shoe suddenly it snapped off by itself. Eh, so we're gonna sell this off as it is. Gonna show the aesthetics of it. This is the front. This is one side. The other side. Top. The bottom. And this is a battery compartment to show you. Let me. So this is a battery compartment. So it's okay. So yeah, gonna sell this off as it is. And if you like this, you can let me know. And thank you so much for watching this. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And see you guys next time. Bye. God bless.